Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video review. My name is Aline. Today I'm here to talk to you about the water freedom system and show you how you can have clean water, water that is fresh, that does not have toxins or chemicals in it, water that is 100% healthy and good for you. So if you want to start having cleaner water, then water freedom system is exactly what you need. Listen up, because I'll be sharing all the benefits, all the infos you need to know about the water freedom system. There is a lot you have to know, guys. There are things you need to know before you purchase it, before you start using it. So let's just talk a little bit about it, okay? I know official web pages are kind of like hard to find at times, and sometimes you're not like completely sure if you're in the correct place or not. So Water Freedom System does have an official web page, and I left for you guys the link just here below this video in that little description box. Okay, so once you click on there, you can go directly to their official web page and get to know so much more about the Water Freedom System. Now, if you're frustrated with like soaring water bills and the persistent issue of water scarcity in your region, the Water Freedom System offers a potential remedy. This groundbreaking system actually presents an enticing solution, assuring you a consistent and dependable source of clean, fresh water. So regardless of your location or the prevailing weather conditions, Water Freedom System aims to address your water-related concerns effectively, guys. So, the Water Freedom System, developed by water conservation expert Chris Burns, is a digital program that offers a sustainable solution for individuals seeking to establish their independent water source. The program centers around an innovative air-to-water machine harnessing atmospheric humidity to generate pure drinking water. So with its cost effectiveness, eco-friendly nature, and user-friendly installation process, the Water Freedom System presents an appealing option for those aiming to curtail water expenses and minimize their ecological footprint as well. So once you guys purchase it, inside the Water Freedom System, you'll find a step-by-step instruction on how to build your own air-to-water machine, including a list of materials you need, tools, and resources you'll need. So you have everything at the tip of your fingers. You'll also receive tips on how to maintain the machine and keep it running efficiently, as well as information on how to store and purify your water. So you're going to get everything. Even if you know zero about the water system, you're going to get everything from scratch, everything from zero. So it's not going to be hard, and you guys are going to be able to, spend less money on water bills and also have more fresh drinking water. That is really important and really, really good for your health, guys. So you are also backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. So within 60 days of giving it a shot, if you're upset with it, it's not really what you thought it would be, you can request a refund back on their official webpage, and customer service will totally help you guys out. So what are you waiting for? Give it a shot, and I can guarantee you're not going to regret it, okay? If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Bye!